What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo. Today we got David right here.
It was good.
It was good. No, he just came back from Nigeria. He got the fresh braids right here, so I'm about to trim up his side. Yeah.
Show me how to con.
Before I'm gonna start fading his hair, I'm using my comb to lay down his hair so that later it's gonna help in terms of erasing the line and also keeping up with the guidelines. Alright, after that I'm using my trimmer KMA 1971. I'm gonna create my initial guideline, just right above his ear and goes around, and this time I'm dropping a little bit to the back because he has his braids on the top, and yeah, I just want to have enough space for the blending for the back of his head. Alright, so I'm taking out my hair clippers, Rest Sheet JM101, and no guard, level all the way open, and I'm going up about a ½ inch. It's like 1.5 centimeters, and goes around his hair. I'm trying to be consistent with the length of his hair, so that's why I'm just digging back and forth so that all the hair has the equal length. Alright, so I'm taking out number 1 guard, level all the way open, and I'm gonna go ahead and create my third guideline. And this time, once again, I'm going up about ½ inch, which is like 1.5 centimeters. The reason why I'm not going up too high is because the space that I'm working with is limited because of his braids. So you don't want to make it too much. You don't want to go up too much, right? Just leave some space for later 1.5 guard. And once again, I'm being consistent. I'm just going back and forth so that all the hair has the same length. Alright, so I'm taking out number 1.5 guard, level all the way close, and I'm going with the grain so that I'm taking off the bulk. And this is something I'll do different from when I fade like straight hair or some other haircuts, because when you're working with the curly hair texture, going with the grain is important part of fading the hair, because otherwise you're gonna leave the bulk on the top. So I'm just going with the grain, just taking off the bulk, knocking off the bulk, trying to clean it up, try to blend in with the number 1 guard. Alright, so after you kind of take off the bulk on the top, same guard, number 1.5 guard, lever all the way open first and close down as needed, using against the grain, just going up and try to blend in to the top of his hair. So first I'm just using, lever all the way open, and make sure to brush it like almost every time you flick out, and close up the lever as needed. And if you're new to my channel, and if this is your first time or even second time or even 10th time of watching my video and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so right now. There's nothing to be hurt by not subscribing to my channel. So yeah, please. Alright, right now I'm gonna attack that second middle guideline. So I'm using my 0.5 guard, level all the way open first and close down as needed. And just flicking out, brush it. I'm using my wrist to kind of flick out the line. I'm not digging or anything. I'm just using my wrist to flick out and erase the line. So you know the drill. Okay, so last step of this fade is to flick out the initial guideline with no guard, level all the way close, and open up the lever as I'm going up. And make sure not to go up too high. Always stay on the line. Make sure you use your wrist to just flick out, not to create a harsh guideline. So this is just the detail work, and I can still see there's some bulky transition between number 1 and number 1.5 guards. I'm using number 1 guard level all the way open with a grain to kind of have smoother transitions. So yeah, this is about it. And yeah, always end the haircut with hairline trimmer work, and this is what makes haircut looks beautiful. Make sure you have box crisp hairline and your client will be happy. boy David from Nigeria. Walk into my shop looking like this, and then boom, this is the cut. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you like it, make sure to give it thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to Dr. Barber yet, make sure to subscribe right now. And I hope to see you very soon. Peace.